Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for joining me today at this live stream video for the property in front of me. So we are on Coningham Road in Reading. I'm just going to show you around the area to give you an idea. So this is a lovely, quiet residential street. And just here in front of me is the property I'm bringing you. Now it's this gorgeous chalet style bungalow. We have driveway parking here, good sized front lawn as well, and nice, quiet and private road. Heading on through, sorry about that, heading on through these gates here, taking me down to the front door, which is at the side, just here. And we'll head on inside the property in a moment, but I just want to show you around. So we've got this covered area here. And certainly you've got space there for at least one other car, if not two, down to your garage. And the garage has side access, just to give you an idea here. So spinning on round, and there we go. So really good dry workshop, workspace. There's electrics in here as well, so that's all there for you, should you wish to carry it on. We then have this lovely back garden, mostly laid to lawn, with a good sized shed down the bottom. So with this being a live stream video, you can ask me questions and I will do my best to answer those for you as we go on round. You can also request your own private viewing of the property if you so chose. So here's the back side of the home. We've got these French doors leading from the dining room, and as I said, I'll take you in there in just a second, but I'm just going to show you down this side here. So this side of the property here, so behind the metal door is your boiler. Here we are. So ideal combi boiler in the old coal shed. Nicely done, and then it is a detached property, so there we are, there's your gap there. So it is as you can tell, I don't know if it's picking up over the presentation, but just how quiet it is around here. You'd never realise that the A329 and the motorway is close by. Right, let's head on in. So I'll just take my shoes off because the owner has been around cleaning the carpets for today, and I don't want to get them muddy. So inside the property, we've got this wonderful welcoming hallway, and one of my favourite parts is just look up there, just how spacious it is. It's a lovely, really is a lovely home. So in here, just to the right hand side, so this, as it's a bungalow style, chalet style, this would be bedroom number 3, currently being used as a home office, but it could be whatever you need it to be. Home office works really well, craft room, little snug for the kids, good sized window overlooking the front of the property. Keep on coming down, and we've got the main reception area. And it is wonderful. It is lovely and large, nice and bright with the big windows, and I'm so happy that they have kept the fireplace in as well. It's a real feature there throughout. Custom fit bookcase and storage on either side, and it is it's a really spacious room to sit back and enjoy. Absolutely wonderful. Understairs storage, and there's your meters, all neatly tucked away. And then I'll take you into your kitchen. So this kitchen is compact, but it has everything that you would need. There's your gas hob. You've got double ovens just here as well, and then you've got lots of countertop space as well. Lots of cupboards, cupboard space as well. Window here, just overlook out to the covered area, and then another nice, good-sized window to the back garden, letting in lots of light, and then nice space-saving rad in there. Heading on through to your dining area. Now this is the only part that's got the wooden floorboards, and I really like the touch and the character that gives it. Nice spacious dining area. And then down the end here, this is an extension that was done a few years ago, and certainly by the previous owners. And then we've got a large picture window to the side here, and then these French doors out to your garden. And at the end here we have utility space and WC all fitted in there, and it works. You know, it's a really good use of the space. The dining area is big enough. You could easily fit a bigger table in, so if you're hosting a large, say, dinner party or Christmas dinner, something like that, you've got all the family in here, and then you've still got your living room to the side there for sanctuary. So what we're going to do, let's head on up, and I'm going to show you the spaces up here. So to your left at the top of the stairs is this bathroom, lovely and modern. They've kept the sink in as well, lovely and clean, nice clean lines. Good sized window on there as well, space saving rad, and then it's a tiled floor as well, and then good quality carpet. And then in here we have one of the two bedrooms, really good size, one of the two bedrooms upstairs I should say. Good sized double bedroom here. We then have the eave storage there, good sized window overlooking the rear garden as well. To answer your question that's come in, they are looking at a property not in my area. They're looking to move down to the south coast. They have seen a couple of properties, but they're in that position where they can't quite offer on something until they've secured a buyer. Into the main bedroom, I'm just standing in the corner just to give you guys an idea of the size of it. We've got these lovely big built-in wardrobes and storage, and then loads of space throughout, and you can see either side there. I mean, it's quite a large bed, quite large furniture, and yet there's still loads of room throughout it all. And then again, you've got these wonderful large windows overlooking the nice quiet street. So yeah, there we go, guys. So that's the property. Oh, sorry, catching myself in the mirror there. That's the property. You do have a small loft. It is probably well, it is more for storage than anything, but you do have access up there. But I just love how airy this area is. It's not enclosed like some stairways are. It really does add to the lightness of the home. So that is the house, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you so much for joining me. Do get in touch if you would like your private viewing. I'll be more than happy to show you around. Also, if you have any questions, do get in touch. I will do my best to answer those for you. And I really look forward to speaking to you all soon. Thank you again, and take care. Bye-bye.